Hey guys, Mike from Mission here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Krma bridge from Mission XV. Okay, so here's the Krma billet bridge unboxing. So in the package, you're going to get the Krma bridge right over here. You're going to get an authenticity card, a set of 5 airflow reducers. The sizing comes in 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeters, 2 millimeters, 2.5 millimeters, and 3 millimeters. If you choose not to use the airflow reducers, you're getting a 3.5 millimeter airflow. Also in the package, you're going to get a set of spares, 4 grub screws, and a tool. Alright, so here's the Krma bridge. As you can see, it comes in 3 different pieces. First piece is the chimney, right here, the barrel, and here's the deck. Couple of notes: once you install the barrel or want to reinstall the barrel, just make sure you take this divot that you can see right over here and line it with the guide that you see on the peak insulator, right over here. And here's the deck. As you can see, simple, but it's very easy to build on. Huge airflow channels, huge wicking channels as well. If you don't use a reducer, you're looking at 3.5 millimeter airflow. And if you do want to use a reducer, all you have to do is just take one of them, place it on top of the hole like this, and since it's press fitted, all you have to do is just place it and press, and there you go. Very simple. To take it out, just put your fingernail inside of the divot, pops off, and there you have it.